Black Forest Princess.
Enough love in the Black Forest Princess, you know.
So we have $9,000 here for you.
$9,000
from Black Forest Princess.
Black Forest Princess, only for love and blessing, you know. So I said, enough love and blessing here.
From Black Forest
some things to start out right now, someone get it.
So this is the section where she cooks and everything. You know, as you can, she said even this, she said is leaking. You know, we'll give you on the windows then that. So we have Miss BP, sorry, Miss BP. Yeah, so we have Miss BP from the UK. Prefect, 3005 from Miss BP.
Miss BP. Really appreciate it. Really thanks. Enough blessings.
Yeah. Tony, thank you very much. May God continue to bless you to provide. Thank you.
So that's 14,000 from Tony. You know, so we give thanks Tony as well too for the donation towards Elizabeth. Mother Teresa, we also have 2,000 here for you from Mr. and Mrs. Shah.
Mr. and Mrs. Shah, thank you very much. I hope the basket never empty.
So we'll do a quick stop. So I have $10,000 here for you from Black Forest Princess from Germany. From Dean Dread towards his blacks. We have to buy for the studio. So this is the 10,000 here. So you can see there's 10,000. I can tell Black Forest Princess from Germany. You got Black Forest Princess. Them on give thanks. So right now we have 74,000 here for you. You know, and this was for the zinc as well too, which is coming from it's more than one donor, which is you have Dance and you have Forret. You have Andy J.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Dream Team one team, Dream Team one team. You know it's the only real team. So as you can see, I'm in Trench Town. You know, Trench Town, as you see them time here. Most of the members them is on the road. You know, and we can find one and two is here. So today now we're gonna get some zincs for Elizabeth. We need some zincs for Elizabeth today, and I got some donation for some of the members them as well too, for the members them, but most of them is not here, so we're here, we're just going to hand them some donation as well too. But today we have to get some zinc for Elizabeth, you know, that our extended family sent towards her to get some zincs, you know, because she asked for 15, you know, so hopefully we can buy as close as much to the 15 with the donation that we get for her. You know, so we give thanks, our thanks and all, you know, thank you all for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up, you know, please let's keep the program going, you know, thank you so much for supporting the less fortunate in Trenchtown. So today we're on the road, we are in Trenchtown now, so we're on the road. Whoa! You know, so you know we'll hit the road, we'll give some donation to get something for Elizabeth. Yeah, so with that said and done, I got a donation here for you as well too. Yeah. We have a donation here for you from Black Forest Princess.
Black Forest Princess.
From Germany.
Germany.
Yeah, from Germany.
Germany.
Yeah, man. So we have
Black Forest Princess, you know. No love, you know. Rasta name you have, you know, Princess. You see me I say? Yeah, man. No love goes out here, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Two art, you know. Black love, you know, Princess.
So you know, Yeah. So as you can see, so guys, right now we're starting to collect donation towards the Whole Chef project. You know, because I say Whole Chef is going to be next, you know. So we start to collecting donation because we already have some donation to put aside from them times. But as I said, Natural is finishing up some work that he was doing before. So whenever Natural finish up the work and thing now, then we can head towards the Whole Chef. So at the meantime, we have to just continue the journey and do what we can do. So we have a donation. Black Forest Princess.
No fluff in the Black Forest Princess, you know.
So we have $9,000 here for you.
$9,000
from Black Forest Princess.
Black Forest Princess, only for love and blessing, you know. So I said, no love and blessing here.
From Black Forest
Things to start out right now, someone get it done out of the way right now. I'm not already up and running, you know.
Yes, and we also have a donation from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw as well too for the team.
Mrs. Shaw.
Yeah, for the team, you know, and we have 2,000 each, and we have here 2,000 here from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Mr. and Mrs. Shaw, only for blessing, enough love, you know. Yeah, man, need it, you know, forget some things out of the way and start to come. Enough thanks, man.
Yeah, man, so we give thanks, you know, we give thanks.
We give thanks to Mr. Shaw,
let's continue to support the Whole Chef, you know, on this journey so we can get him a bathroom and toilet and get the thing up and running.
Yeah, man, enough love, you know, Mr. Shaw, you know. African princess, you know, from Germany, you know. Yeah, man, you see, only for blessing, enough love, you know, so. There I see him, we're going to go on the work, I have a on the road of genius right now. You see me further, you see me I say, only for blessing, enough love, you know. So, blessing every time, you know.
Alright. Oh, bring them to come to me. Oh, we have Bombing Ball is here. We have Natural is here. Natural just come off of the work.
Yeah, man, this is for the work, Natural.
Just on a breeze out.
Yes, a breeze out.
And we have the prefect here. See him here. And Mother Teresa is here. You know, so we have some donation what they give for the team. Open us a phone, please.
Box.
The prefect. So we have a donation, you know, 2,000 each for the members. Then from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw from the UK. So we have 2,000 here for you. From Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Yeah, from the UK.
Enough thanks and really appreciate. Bless up yourself. One love. Thanks again. Not only for me, but for the team member. Bless up.
Bless up. Alright. Mother Teresa. We also have 2,000 here for you from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Mr. and Mrs. Shaw, thank you very much. I hope the basket never empty. Max and Mommy, Oliver and Carla, big up in the sense of all our extended family. Very love, appreciation.
Alright, so we have Natural. We have 2,000 here for Natural. The man just coming off of the work, catching right in time before we leave out. So that's 2,000 there from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
2,000 from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw. Blessing and thanks to him because greatness in him. And well appreciated.
Yes, sir.
Many more blessings. Thank you, Mrs. and Mrs. Shaw. Mr. and Mrs. Shaw. I love.
Give thanks. Take out 2 to do as well. So we have Esther. Run out of breath. So we have 2,000 here for you, Esther, from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Shaw. I really appreciate it. God bless and keep you safe always.
Alright then. Yeah, man, so we see baby down the road, the baby have come up as well too. Oh, the other one and here. Alright, so here so we have another donation. So it's a baby will reach up back. Oh, so Rick just reach here. So we have a donation as well too from Miss MB. Because we got some written names for who want to get, and we have the prefect as well to name is on that list. So we have Miss BP, sorry, Miss BP. Yeah, so we have Miss BP from the UK. Prefect 3005 from Miss BP.
Miss BP. Really appreciate, really thanks. Enough blessings. Yeah, not only for me, but for the team members. Bless up yourself.
But I read, man.
Thanks again.
Let's never drive. Alright, yeah. I'm ready. Let's stop up our Dini. Baby. Come out of the sun before it burn up. So we have 2,000 here for you from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw from the UK.
Mr. and Mrs. Shaw, thank you very much. May food basket never empty. God bless you. Big up all of the extended family. God bless you all.
Alright. Yeah man, so we give thanks to Mr. and Mrs. Shaw. You know, as you say, some of the members them is at work, you know, some is not here yet, so everyone will receive a donation. So we're gonna go on the road to get some zinc for Elizabeth. Light packs.
Yeah.
So we have 2,000 here for you from Mr. and Mrs. Shaw.
Mr. and Mrs. Shaw. Yeah, give thanks, you know, and blessings, you know. More blessings again, yeah man. Thanks for the donation. Thanks for everything you want to do for the dream team same way. And bless upon yourself and the family.
Alright.
Manners.
And we have a donation here for you from Miss BPM.
Miss BPM.
Yeah, Miss BPM from the UK. $4,000.
Miss BPM from the UK. More love and thanks, you know. And God bless you always. Manners.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks. I guess I make a mistake with the BPM. It's not BPM, MBP. You know, so thank you MBP as well too for Light Parks and also for the prefect. Yeah, so it's MBP correction. You know, it's MBP, the donation as well I give for prefect and Light Parks. Yeah. Alright then, so blessed love. Big up yourself, Miss MBP. I got that right. Yes, Dini enjoyed himself, you know, so but they pass through quick and fast, you know, because we have a donation someone sent here towards the studio, you know, to help out by blacks, you know, and the person named Black Forest Princess, from Germany. Black Forest. We're not going wicked. Yeah man people, so sorry about the wind. Yeah, so I'm going to do a quick stop. So I have $10,000 here for you from Black Forest Princess from Germany. Yeah. For Dean Dread towards his blacks, you know, for buy for the studio. So this is the 10,000 here. Yeah, so you can see there's 10,000. I can tell Black Forest Princess from Germany. Yeah, man. You got Black Forest Princess. Yeah man, give thanks. Yeah man. Feel good about this. Yeah man. Yeah. They get cars for those same kind of things. Holy family, yeah man, so it's only a start, you know. So, you can still reach out, you know, and remember Dean as well to promise us do something for you as well too when you get the chance. So we give thanks for that from Black Forest Princess as well too from Germany. Yeah, man. All the way from Germany.
Cool no man. Yeah man.
Love has spread from far.
Yeah, man, we're going to do what we do, so you're not for worry. You're going to see the thing up.
Yeah
man. First contribution we get from someone towards it. Yeah man, I'm going to give thanks. That's for somebody to look out, you know?
Yes. Yeah, man. See, I will give thanks from an unknown source. You never know who's watching. You never know where it's coming from, you know. So blessings come from anywhere once the Almighty is in play, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, keep it righteous, man, because you're righteous, man, every time. So give thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Come on. So we're on the journey now to see Elizabeth and to get some things, you know, so we give thanks. Gosh, all is well.
Yeah man, all is well.
Inner city. The inner city thing, the inner city youth, you know.
Youth from Trenchtown.
Youth from Trenchtown, good.
Just the occupied English.
Yeah.
From Trenchtown.
Yeah, like the youth, yeah, but this is good in the community, you know.
Yeah.
You never follow the wrong path, he's on the right direction.
You still get the right thing for them, you still get the interview.
Yeah.
My company is to see.
See
you know, you
there?
have to start. You know that.
Yeah. See there?
Go put on my episode out.
Anything already let me know.
Alright.
The use of Trenchtown.
You know that.
You know? We're on the
My
rise.
Danish song I play in my background. You use some Trenchtown.
Alright.
And I give you an interview.
Straight away. Alright then. Alright. Dini.
Same thing. Go on to the right. That's how we go.
Yeah man. Give thanks. Blessed. Damian?
Yeah, man.
That's the name, Damian, right?
Yeah, man.
Whoa. Blessed, you know, we are Elizabeth and I'm here with Damian. You know, Damian is also a builder. You know, when he watch the program, like what go on, and him say he want to come around, you know, and just give some input and what you're gonna need and how she can get the house done according to how it's there. You know, more than we buy bits and pieces and things. So he might give us an estimate on what we're gonna need, but today we're gonna get some zincs, you know, cause she get someone to measure for say she's gonna need 15 sheets of zincs.
Okay.
You know. But we're gonna get some today because we never get the money for everything. So introduce yourself and let them know about you know Damian.
Oh, my name is Damian. I study construction and work as a construction professional. So I do project management, sometimes construction supervision with a construction company, and sometimes people have small jobs. I do work for them as well. I do a lot of estimates, so I know what to look for in terms of what will be built, what you're going to use first and next and so on. When I saw the first episode you did, I noticed that she had there's holes in the walls, different places, and I noticed that apart from the board structure, it looked like there were the house was made of another type of structure that I've seen sometimes in the whole houses in Jamaica, and there was holes straight through them. And I know that those structures, if it is the same that I'm thinking about, also has board inside it. And if the place is wet and the board is wet, apart from the board rotting, then there might be termites and so on. And if the structure gets compromised, then even if you put the zinc on it, but the thing below it is not holding up, then you have a next issue right there. So I just want to check to make sure that you don't have to worry about the next problem when you solve this problem. You do it in the right order, basically.
Yeah, man, cause it makes sense. Cause we did come, we go around here, so it makes sense. Cause we decided to say, well, might as well should just do the whole thing then. So the whole thing we are trying to get her some assistance and some materials, you know. So she's gonna get her builder to do it, you know, and that's how we can try and give her some assistance, you know. So we're gonna get her some zincs today, which is a start, and them things. So we'll take you around there. Raquel! Blessed family.
Yeah, blessed love in my family. Good to see you.
Yeah, man. Every time, you know? Yeah, man.
More blessing, you know?
Yeah, man. Every time.
Hi, good evening.
This is my general. Unrelated, so?
Yeah, bridging.
Okay, so brush up. Okay, brush up. Alright, I'll check Elizabeth.
Yes, sir.
Elizabeth. Come.
Come. Oh my God.
Come.
Yeah, man. Here's the bed. Okay, so ready for the roll?
Yeah.
Go get some things and things. So now so bring a bit like watch the program as well too. And if you want to give some input and the best idea, we can get done. So yeah, make him take a look. Same can. Come. So this is
based on what your plans are, I kind of do a materialist to make sure that you have all the things that you need.
Yeah.
So that's one of the main things I want to be able to measure out. Do that materialist for you.
So I can see that you put in the windows over here already. So let me enlighten the extended family. As you can see, the windows is gone in. When the thank our extended family, thank you so much. She's more safe and secure. There is window there before. It wasn't no window. So now she have the window there for now. Because so she got to try and fix up the place. And then round there as well, right? Runnings. Alright, I don't roll at end.
That me I said I can roll at end.
And them see the camera, the roll at end. Alright, so
Jesus.
we have the next window over there, well in and secure. And that's it. So that's what I like to see. Everything is well in and secure. So Damian, so this is the inside of the house, and this is the living condition of what you can see. Okay, let me get that bag there and get out my light.
Alright, and where is the leak happening most?
Right here, so go down. Let's get a belly something. Here, so. And the current.
Wow, I am there without
I'm when rain fall well already, so come in. And roll in. You have to stop up water because all our house flood out. The water come in.
So on that side,
go up on top and put up zinc.
No, cause she have to go deal it from below first. So she get liquor by liquor the materials them. And she have to just store them up. So we just want to make sure she get some materials, liquor by liquor. If anyone want to help out, we get some blocks, and cements or anything she gonna need. She gonna also need Salitex and them things. So she get an invite, but it wasn't for the whole house. The invite what she get was like from half of the house, like literally from there to about right here.
Right here, so.
Oh, from right here, so to right there, right on the end.
that is for the material.
Yeah, for what she get first.
Halfway.
But just halfway, so she never get the full way.
That is block and to the block.
Yeah.
From here, go around to there.
To the end.
Okay.
So.
But halfway.
So then.
So what you would want is to do everything back around.
Yeah, that should I want.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Because the most right there, so when the rain fall, the water come in, roll it and with the
Is this another neighbor right here? Or is
no,
this
that also, but if you clean out and need to get the spot.
Okay. But the thing is, they're going to need a big foundation. On this side, they need like a space wider than just the wall space.
Yeah.
But the foundation will be wider than the wall. So you need to be able to go over there
and
then throw the dirt somewhere. So you just need some space, some working space, where the wall is going to be. So once you have some space that you can clear out, then you can have a line for where the wall can be. You can work out how many blocks based on how high it's going to be. And if there's going to be somebody right up here, I guess you might not have windows on this side. Will you still have a door? Like how you have a door there?
No, I got have out there, so.
Yeah, get this.
So basically out there, so come and show you. I do some stuff where that been storing, which is you find out because we have a donor was asking like how much would it cost to get a truck man to remove all of this. Did you check it out?
Yeah, the truck.
So what the truck man say?
Something there, man.
Eh? Did you ask the truck man?
The truck man, if you get back to me.
And I get back to you.
I go charge that much. But I get the worker with a clean, I get 3 person. To come do the work.
To come do the work. So you get somebody for work, for clear them out, and then the truck man for load it.
For load.
So how much you work as them?
Well, them I say, I don't know how much. I do $6,000 each.
$6,000 each?
I whole heap. You ever seen that?
I seen that the last time I put the camera over there. A whole heap of stuff.
Come closer, Sir Kino. Look at this.
Wow.
In the full goes straight to the old stop.
So the worker they must say 6,000 each and
6,000 per truckload?
No, one worker, 2 workers.
Oh, the workers?
Yeah, different from the truck.
I just treat somebody and then no Damian for dash with
everything around dash.
Everything around dash with the yard. So basically then for the extended family, who was asking, donor, because Pablo said must find out the price. So Pablo, as you can hear, she says 6,000 each say for the worker, which is she have 3 workers, right? And then so they must charge just 6,000 each. And for the truck man now, for carry them away, him say nah kill her with the price, but he never give you a price yet, right? So make him give you a price so you can know exactly how much, so you can tell the person now so then can send to us for you to get that done. So that would be better if this clear way move so Damian now could I get a better idea where you can exactly tell her what you're gonna need, right?
Right. So if you're going to go further, then you would have to take that into consideration.
So
I see that there's a manual here.
Yeah, pit.
Is a pit? Okay. Alright. So that have to be access to it. You have to still have access to it afterward because you have to be able to dry it. If it's a pit, you have to be able to dry it. Once the bathroom is using over a certain amount of time again full. So you have to build so that you leave off this space.
Alright, so do I get some zinc for you? Well, someone send donation card. Alright, so Elizabeth, so first you get the measurements here, you go on 15 sheet of 18-foot zinc, right? And we got some donation as well too towards that. So that's why we're going to take it to budget, and pay for them and just get the driver to bring them down here for you, right? So, the driver, we're going to work with the driver fee, how much he's going to charge to bring it down, and then so how much zinc we can get with the rest of it, right? So I'm going to give you the donation. So what donation you have, we can just put towards it for us to get them. So we have to just store them here for the minute. We have to just store them here for the minute, until we just can get what we can get done. Right, so first we have 14,000 here from the USA. So we have count it first.
45 and 5. From Mr. Tony, thank you very much. May God continue to bless you to provide. Thank you for your help.
So that's 14,000 from Tony, So we give thanks Tony as well too for the donation towards Elizabeth. And now we have Mary D sent $7,000, she said, for black. So this is $7,000 here for you towards to get black. So can you just pull that out for me, please? $7,000 there for you.
And it's a 2,000,
7,000. Mary D.
Thank you, Mary D. It will be well spent on the Thank you very much. God bless you. So
right now we have 74,000 here for you. And this was for the zinc as well too, which is coming from more than one donor, which is you have Dan's, and you have Farret, you have Andy J, and you have Mr. Love from the UK, right? So the message was them didn't want to buy the whole 15, but times how it is, them can afford. So with this now we can buy as much zinc that we can get, right? So we have 74,000 here for you from Dan's, Ferret and Andy J and Mr. Love from the UK. So count this 74,000, so count it.
15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74.
Yeah, so that is from Dan's, Ferret, Andy J,
Ferret and Andy J,
and Mr. Love.
And Mr. Love, thank you very much. It's well appreciated and it will be spent on the house. Thank you very much. Continue to send your support and your blessing. God bless you.
Yeah, so we thank all the donors then that reach out to Elizabeth, you know, as you can see this situation, you can hear her plead, you know, so we just here giving some assistance, you know, and we give thanks for the viewers then that watch, because you know, the viewers then them watch and they've been touched, so then decide to reach out, you know, because we are giving assistance because you know we're gonna have projects to do in Trenchtown, which is we have the wow chef to do, and we have scanner, you know, and we have some of the members them who want to try to help out as well too. So this project won't be on our hands. We're just giving assistance where we can get her materials and anything we can get her, you know, and she will get a builder, you know, we can help out her situation, because as I can see, you know, there's a lot of people need help, so we can help one at a time. I will thank our extended family for reaching out, you know. We're on the outside of Trenchtown, giving a strength, giving a help, same and spreading the same love. You know, right, Prefect? Tower Hill. You know, that is it. So.
Not only Trenchtown of people. So a lot of people right around the globe.
Yeah.
Need a little strength, as you can see.
Yeah.
We really appreciate everyone that lend them assistance to our cry.
Yeah.
Enough love, enough thanks. Who is not on board yet, we know you're gonna come on board.
Yeah.
But we give thanks and just continue with the good Lord, guide them, protect them, keep them safe. That's when you can help if you do the good work.
Yeah.
Because no government now do it. We as people have to do it. And it take love. So each and every one we are doing. It's the love what we have.
Yeah.
So we are spread it across the universe. So bless upon yourself and one love. Make extended family.
Alright then, so yeah, so that's what I said by the Prefect there.
Yes.
You know,
well
so,
said.
So we give thanks to the Prefect and everything. So we're here, you know, we have Mr. the big man around here, so Damian himself I draw up a plan for her, you know, as you can see. So one of the windows them that were bought was for go here, so it's not gonna go in because I guess she's gonna just wanna put down whatever she can get.
Pull it down to put the block.
Yeah. So the main thing
from down at the corner to come out.
So the main thing is to get rid of all of that out the yard before you can even do nothing. So you know, so it's good things that we're getting the zinc, because even when you get the black, you can't store them outside.
The zinc,
the zinc. So the zinc now can come a long way here, so the zinc then can come. Yeah.
So you have to be careful.
So you can put tape over the edge them, so the kids then don't really get damage off it. Yeah man, so giving her a rundown again. So this is our bathroom. As you can see, this is our bathroom. Where literally you can see the outside from inside our bathroom. You can see the roofing, you know, as you can see the condition. And this is our kitchen, right here. And this is our kitchen section. So this is the section where she cooks and everything. You know, as you can, she said even this, she said is leaking. You know, give you on the windows then that we bought the other day, because remember there wasn't no windows at all here, so for the time being she installed these windows because there wasn't no windows, it was an open space. So at least now she got the windows in where she feel more safe, because remember the kids them sleep here, right? She got 3 beds here, the kids them sleep there, and there wasn't no window there, so it's more safer, you know. And as you can see her roofing and everything. And this is the next window that gone in over there as well, because there wasn't no window there as well. And this is the condition. So this is Elizabeth, you know, mother of 7 kids, you know, and as you can see with the ceiling when the rain fall, so the whole place flood out, you know. This is same place along, as you can see, everything are rotten away and a fall away, you know, behind the dresser where you find looking outside, everything is rotten, you know, rotten. So we're just giving some assistance because we're here trying to give our best and try to help in which way we can. And this is the way. So we have Damian here, a draft of a plan. You know.
What it is now, see, currently, the from front to back is 21 feet. From side to side this way is 12 feet. The bathroom is 4'3" by 5'5". And I'm about to put in the kitchen. This is the doorway. And over here, if she intends to go this way, then we can add whatever structure is going to go there.
Yeah.
And how it's going to be laid out.
Okay.
So this is a basic idea, and it's 8 foot tall.
8 foot tall. Okay. So with that then, so with the zinc that she just said 15, 18 foot, is that correct for this size what you have?
15
sheets. Yeah, of 18 foot zinc.
18. If the zinc was being laid this way, and you wanted to have 1 foot on each side, you could use 14 this way. If you went 18 this way, I'm not sure. It would have to be this way because the fall is that way. It would have to be this way, so it would be 14 if you make 1 foot on each side. And then you have to divide this by 2 foot 8. I think most zinc is about 32. Depending on the width of the zinc. Assuming it's a 32. 21 divided by 2 times 6. It says 8. So you could get 9 sheets of 14. And it would, and even with the overlap, you would cover this area. So
okay.
You got 14 foot, 9 sheets.
9 sheets.
This way.
So the person that wrote it down, then put 18 foot zinc. 15 sheet of.
Yeah, I'm not sure why it would be 18 foot because this way is 21 foot, so it would be short that way. But that is also not the way that this slopes. It slopes across the shortest span. Right? So normally you put the sheet across the shortest span. Yeah, the slope would be that way, so it's running on that way. Yeah. So you could go 14 foot. As I said, if you go 1 foot over on this side, 1 foot over that side, you do 9. You can even buy 10 sheets if you want to have an overhang on this side too.
Yeah.
It's overhang this way. I'm not sure if you can overhang on that side.
Okay.
But 10 sheets should be able to be
10 sheets.
Foot.
Okay. So you reckon she should buy the 10 sheet of 14 foot?
Yeah. That's using a 1 foot overhang, which is what I say here.
Yeah.
Because I assume she don't want to go too far over the nail.
Yeah. So Elizabeth, so you were saying like 10 sheets of 14 foot zinc could do it from there, from that end to the next end, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Assuming that it is a 32 inch sheet of zinc, which is 2 foot 8 inches. So 21 feet divided by, let's say, at 23 feet divided by 2 foot 8, which is 2.67. It's 8.6, which would have to be 9. And I say I can buy an extra one, just in case.
So it would have been 10, 14 foot.
14 foot.
Alright, then so Elizabeth, we're gonna add to the budget, you know, and pay for it, you know, and get someone to drop it off for you with them, right? Because I know they got vehicles down there and things, we can bring it back for you. And you can just come put it right there in the yard, long way and everything. So
we decided so we're gonna put them to stand up right now because when you put for lay down,
yeah.
The gentleman does it.
Okay, so you put it to stand up.
I put them to stand up right for my father that goes.
Alright then. Round here, sir.
14 foot tall.
14 foot tall.
They can get them to lie down somewhere. Or lay flat. Like I pick up, I don't know if there's space for that. I'll show you what 14 foot can look like. Because what happens, suppose like a little breeze come.
14 foot, I want to try looking at them.
So how much foot that?
8 foot.
8 foot.
In the 8 foot.
9 and 8, the shortest one at 8.
I wish you could have done that. Try to get them.
Behind.
Go for this, then
Yeah.
put them. Because here, so, they can't say about stretching.
You want to see if they have 14 foot this way?
Good. Elizabeth, bring this down there, so. Go on, open the door.
No, stop now.
Stop.
This is 14 from here to there. So.
Okay. And if you go behind the door, Bring it behind the door. Bring it behind.
The door that somebody has to go through, that white door.
That door there,
Somebody go through that? That door they use?
Yeah, but it doesn't make sense to put it there because if I put it there, the person might go and set them up for me.
Yeah, that cause some problems. Yeah, so if you stop before the door, you can do it right there.
Okay. So you could have put it here in the corner. And what you can do is get tape
Put over there.
and just tape over the top of them and on the sharp edge. You know? If you have duct tape,
Yeah, I think we have to do.
yeah, with cardboard.
the look one they have protected.
Yeah.
The look of the
So see you have cardboard up there, you can put cardboard over the edges them right on the top and just tape them down so there's no sharp edges exposed. Yeah, so they may have to get moved. If your father can help you and just move out these while you're coming with the zincs then, right? So, alright, so come we go hit the road and go get Elizabeth and the girl. So Elizabeth, as I said, let's get on that soon as possible to get the truck man and find the price so I can explain it to the donor so he can send a donation. And we want to thank Damian so much, you know, for giving our input. And Damian, hopefully we can call up on you, see him here. You can come help out the dream team, you know, put in some work, see him here, because we really appreciate that. You know, so it must be a blessing because you watch a program and you call and say, you know, you like what's going on.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, viewers, so we have here Damian, you know, willing to give our input and give us strength, you know, in what we're doing. So even if, like natural now is a man who always sometimes is busy. He's a man who's busy, but him take time and give us the time to try to finish off a project that we was doing. You know, so we have world chef that we want to do next as well too. We have others. So if you have the free time and whenever you have the time you can give a time, we really appreciate that, you know. And it's really a blessing for you to do that because you never know. We are serving a purpose, so if you want to give an answer serving a purpose, you know, you're highly more than welcome because, you know, everybody volunteered them time, you know, it wasn't a paid thing. And when you watch a program and you realize
Yes,
that.
man. From my side, that's the boy. I need it. Because I seen you do other building work and thing, and I said, boy, this is an interesting thing that you're doing.
Yeah.
And I said, boy, this one I must can find out sometime and make input, give some support and make sure, you know, things go as smoothly as it can.
Yes. So, yeah, man. So
no problem.
Yeah, man. So, you know, we got definitely invited down in a church so one of these days where you can meet the builders and meet the rest of the members, them, you know.
Yes, man.
So we can welcome you on the thing, see you know. And we appreciate that. So come, Elizabeth. So it's only can get better, guys, moving forward. You know, as you can see, we give thanks for the support and everything. Oh, 1 second. Because we have got some zinc here. So she basically have to go put it long way here, so. You know? Yeah, because it's 14 foot, you know. And they might blow down, you know. So if they could have got a long way and then she just put some cardboard over the edges them. So she just managed sharp edge. So it feels like clear, yes, so. To when time she comes, so she can just rest them along the way. Because we'll get some zinc here now, yeah? Alright then, Pops. Run camera come. The whole of them just a run.
I have one quick question. How do you get around these corners? Because if it's long, it's very hard to come around the corners.
Oh.
It can go straight that way, or it can go over the roof.
The house stop?
Anybody can walk on the house stop.
This is our sister house.
The corner, them are looking at how sharp they are.
Come here. That's the outer part right there.
The corner, we turn in the corner because them so long.
So you have to go up on the old stop. Unless you could arrest them on Raquel old stop too. Yes, sir.
Are you there for walk on it now?
When them come with us.
Figure it out. You know, improvise.
Alright then.
And put them on top of yours because they could have stayed on the oyster. Alright, no problem then. I'm saying them can stay at the Damian, so.
Yeah, so that's my fault.
Alright then. Blessed. Come in, wow. Go on. Long time. Come here. Come here. Now we can bring some zincs. Here. Towel, right? Towel. Hello, so we have a driver here for you. On a towel, right?
Yeah.
So on a towel. 14 foot. How much is it gonna be?
How much are you?
Let's see how much she can get.
Well, I'm not sure you.
Alright. Alright, cool. Yeah.
I think at the 14 foot.
How much you 10? How much I get 10 for? Check how much money I do.
Raquel sister, you know?
Huh? Never know Raquel's sister.
By your mother's side.
Okay. Okay, so you could get first get the 10, get 10 only?
10, yeah.
Alright, get the 10. The 14 foot, right? Alright, so get the 10 at the 14 foot, yeah.
Mama, I want this.
Yeah, soldier.
58. 58 to
14
foot you said, right?
Yeah. 14 foot.
Yeah. The 18 foot are more money? The 18 foot are be more money?
Yeah, we have 16 foot to 5, 6 plus that.
For 18 foot, how much that be?
6 to 4, 400. That is 40.
Okay.
No, not 40, sorry, 16.
16 foot.
That's the pan special. That's on.
Okay, and the 18 foot could be how much?
The same thing?
Yeah.
The discount is 74,925.
The discount 74,925. Okay. Alright, so as I mentioned, the first invoice we should have. First what I write up, they say 18 foot zinc, 15 sheet. But you would decide say they don't need 18 foot, you need a 14 foot.
Yeah, to cover this span from that way. As I said, 18 foot suggests that you're sending the thing this way, right?
Oh, I send the water there, yeah.
Right? And 18 foot would mean that it's short, 3 feet, so it's 21 feet this way, no. 12 foot cover it fully, 14 foot I mean cover the 12 foot fully.
Okay, going that way.
No, but overhang on this side and overhang on this side.
Okay, from the wall here, so what she said she don't want it from, right?
From the existing wall to here.
No, but remember she don't want it joiner. She said she want it joiner from the wall, right?
Yeah, but wall,
your window there.
A neighbor wall that you were talking about.
The neighbor wall.
You say you wanted to start your house from over there?
Yeah.
So what I'm saying about the design, if she add on over this side, and she goes to the neighbor first. If she goes to the neighbor, right now the fall is this way. If she goes to the neighbor and don't add on, she can send the water this way because the water comes inside her yard. If she add here, she's going to be sending the water towards here, which would mean that in the roof for here, instead of having a roof like that, where this is the part that you have now, and this is the part that you add on, because you don't want to send water to the neighbor, because if you're on the neighbor's wall, no, any water you send going over onto the neighbor. You understand? So unless you can build up the neighbor wall high and put a flash in and send the water down the line to 21 feet, the other way to do it, which people don't really do this not much, but you could do that. So this is the existing wall, which is this wall over here now. This is your 12 feet one, but you have now, right? If you add on, I'm just talking about if you add on to the side, and it's a different room. This wall stay here, but there's a different room you add on over here. So you have a next wall over here, then you can shape it down this way, and so the water is not going to your neighbor on this side, and this water still have to run off. That's the other way. Right? And I'm assuming that you're not going to add on to the whole of it. Because this 21 feet, if you do that, that means the water has to run the whole 21 feet. You try not to make water run too long before it come off the building. Okay. But that is what you get leak. Yeah? Or you have to make it run fast, you have to make it steeper. You understand? So it's, right now it's about 3 inches difference between this side and this side. If you're going to do something like that, you make it steeper, water run fast. Yeah, which means a longer thing. That's why I'm talking about it now, because if you're trying to fix that problem, then you need a longer thing, because now you can make it steeper. Send it one side here, make the water run off fast. That's why I really need that. Okay. I am just thinking now, as we talk, about this, if she decides to add on more over here.
Yeah. And you want that's a plan to add on?
Yes, that is what's going to happen with the addition.
Right. So that would change how the roof operates. So right now it's a very simple design, just a big box like this. Just send off the water. Okay. If you put a next box over there, and you're sending the water on that box over there.
Yeah.
So now we need to solve that problem. So that's what I'm trying to work out now to say. How? And because of our neighbor over here, I'm saying if you change to this, now you're sending the water to the neighbor.
I don't want that.
You don't want that. So, alright, so here's the one with 2 different ways I'm thinking. Your wall is, this is your neighbor wall now, the concrete wall. Your wall right now is a little bit in from your neighbor wall, right? If you keep your wall and put a gutter at the end of your roof, then you can catch the water so that it don't go on your neighbor. And that will solve the problem. It's not a big distance, but you can catch the water, then you can do this, and 14 is still alright and everybody's okay. You understand?
Enough people now want the water to move on them.
Yeah. So what's your reckon right now?
So if you're using this method, keep the wall, put a gutter at the end, then the 14 foot will cover the 12 and everything alright. Okay. Alright, 14 foot. So when you build the new wall again, put it in about the same place as the rear wall is now. Just so that you can have a gutter. Or as near, you can get a little nearer and still have a gutter, no problem. But 14 can cover it.
So you have to explain that to the person whosoever will do it then.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, so we can have a talk and we can do a little sketch and show the person so that they can see what the plan is and everything.
Alright then. Alright, so I'm prepared for this then. Can you write it up?
You write up, Colin?
Which one?
Is it 14?
14.
Yeah. I'll copy for this one. My friend. Comfortable.
20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55,
Thank you so much for the donation. So she could make sure they get some zinc, so she's getting 10 sheets now, you know, and then they will adjust the rest and the time. So we have Damian here, Damian is here, will give us some instruction and drafting up something. So that is how it is at the minute. And Elizabeth is here purchasing the zinc, so we just get a driver we can deliver them for her, you know, and then we take it from there. So thank you so much, you know, sponsoring to helping out Elizabeth, you know, from Olympic. Thank you so much for helping out Elizabeth, you know, mother of 7, and they can see the condition that she's in. So it's the situation and what we're doing now. So you're good now, right?
Yes.
Organize the drive and everything, so
thank you very much for everyone who support me and send. God bless you. We will continue to support and send because the help is well needed. As you can see, when we was going by the house, it was in a terrible situation. It's still in a terrible situation and I need the help of the strength of you guys. So continue to support us.
Alright then. So as I said, just let me know how much it's gonna cost for the truck man. I said 6,000 each for the workers, then 3 workers. So that's 18,000 already for the 3 workers and plus the truck man money, right? So just find out the truck man how much it's gonna cost, so we can just inform the person know how we can get it from there. So that is the price there, and that is us giving Elizabeth some assistance, you know, Elizabeth assistance. She can get better off in the future for she and her kids there. So we're on the road now, you know, so get everything. Alright, then so take care, eh? Damian. So I'm gonna drop them off here and everything, so we order that, you know, so we are keeping contact then. And we thank you so much as well too. You know, thank you so much. So I guess now when time we reach down to the time and everything we can get drafted up, you know. But as I said, I'm gonna contact you soon and we can come in a Trenchtown and meet up, you know, with the members then I can meet the builder and you can see what I get done. So I don't know where you are the Thursday. You're free Thursday?
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Some in the afternoon. I think morning probably better than afternoon.
Yeah.
Morning probably better than afternoon.
Okay. That'll be afternoon.
Let me call you later on and
we have some people have come down from the them flying already. 20 people from the overseas, the build scheme work. So they must plan to come Trenchtown to help out with what we're doing. So we have this gentleman named Scanner that plan to clean out his house and kind of build him one door. You know, lick out one door and build him one and just give him a quick fix. You know, so that'd be nice for you if you can be there, you know, so you can meet the builder and meet them, everyone that's there, you know, can give an input.
Alright, I'm just trying to remember what I'm supposed to do. Let me just see how I can arrange the time.
Yeah.
And if I can, I'll come past.
Alright, it will be great. It will be a pleasure. So my pleasure, you know what, thank you so much. Yeah, Elizabeth?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright, yeah.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.